Ready to make your first multiple-choice quiz with FlexiQuiz? Here's a quick tour to help you get started. First, you need to log into your FlexiQuiz account by entering your email address and password. If you don't already have a FlexiQuiz account, you can quickly sign up for free with your email address and a secret password. Then press Continue to start making quizzes. So, from your main dashboard, press Create Quiz. Select the classic quiz type to build a quiz that learners can take at their own pace. This is the best option for making exams, assessments, asynchronous quizzes, and courses. Now enter a name for your quiz and press Create Quiz. This opens your Create screen where you can add your content. To add a question, press Add Item and choose Question from the drop-down menu. The screen to add and edit your question appears. You can choose from 9 question types, including multiple choice, single choice, file upload, fill in the blanks, matching, free format, picture choice, and more. In this video, I will show you how to add a single choice question. This is a multiple choice format where respondents can only pick one answer option. Okay, so enter your question here. Depending on your plan type, you can add images, video, or audio. For a multiple choice or single choice quiz, add your answer options here. To allow the system to auto-score your quiz, tick the correct answer. You can choose how many points for getting the whole question right by entering the number in this box. You can also award or deduct points for each answer option by ticking the Set Option Points box. From here you can also change question settings like making the question required, randomizing answer options, or sharing feedback based on right or wrong answers. And you can add the question to a category in your question bank. To add your finished question to your quiz, press Save. You can always come back and edit the question at a later time if required. To add more questions to the same page, press Add Item. Select Question from the menu and add your question. To add questions to a new page, press Add Page and pick Quiz Page from the drop-down menu. Add the question by pressing Add Item and choosing Question. Now, if you want to add a welcome page to the start of your quiz, press Add Page and choose Welcome Page from the drop-down menu. You can add text, videos, images, and audio to the welcome page. Once you have added your questions, you can configure how the quiz works and looks on the Configure tab. From here, you can pick from loads of configuration options, like adding time limits per page, time limits for the whole quiz, add progress bars, allow people to bookmark questions, set how many times people can take the quiz, and much more. You can also customize the respondent's grade. Award certificates for learners who pass the quiz. Customize what results to share with learners. And send email notifications. To make your quiz pop, you can customize how the quiz looks from the Theme tab. You can change the background colors, add background images, change fonts, and all the text displayed to respondents on headers, buttons, and navigation prompts. Check how your quiz looks and works by pressing the Preview button and taking the test as a respondent. Once you are ready to share your quiz, select the Publish tab. Okay, from here you can enable respondents to view your quiz by pressing the Publish Quiz button. This changes the quiz status from in design to open. You can now choose how you want to distribute your quiz. Your first option is to share a quiz link that you can add to your emails, social media pages, or you can embed the link in your site. If you have a paid plan, you can customize the text on the URL. Your second option is to send an email invitation with a unique link that allows respondents to access your test. And finally, you can assign the quiz to the learner's respondent portal. To start making your first quiz, go to FlexiQuiz.com. Happy quizzing!